food helps fight sickness? A. Fruits and vegetables. B. Soda and chips. C. Candy and cake. D. Chocolates and broccoli. A. Fish, chicken, and pork. Okay, all got the correct answer. Okay, very good. Erase your answers. Let's proceed to question number 6. Rather number 7. Sorry. Again, question number 7. Which helps you stay strong and healthy? A. Playing all day, no sleep. B. Sleeping on time. C. Eating only candy. D. Eating junk foods and chocolates all day. Erase your tag boards. The correct answer is letter B. Only 8 got the wrong answer. The rest got the correct answer. Okay, erase your answers. Now let's proceed to question number 8. Fruits and vegetables. A. Never. B. Only once a week. C. Every day. D. Only during parties. Raise your blackboards. The correct answer is letter C. Every day. Only number 8 got the wrong answer. The rest got the correct answer. Okay. Blackboards down. Erase your answers. Okay. Question number 9 for the average round. What is a good habit when eating? A. Eating lots of candy. B. Eating breakfast every day. C. Skipping meals. D. Eating only junk food. Erase your tag boards. The correct answer is letter B. Eating breakfast every day. All got the correct answer. Okay, again, remind ko, inyong ipakita ang answer nyo dito sa ako Okay, down. Okay, now last question for the average round. What should you do if you have a small cut in your hand? A. Ignore it. B. Play with dirt. C. Clean it and tell an adult. Erase your tag boards. The correct answer is letter C. Clean it and tell an adult. Only number 8 got the wrong answer. The rest got the correct answer. Okay, we are done with the average round. Now let's proceed to everyday. A. 2 to 3 glasses. B. 6 to 8 glasses. C. 1 glass. D. 4 to 5 glasses. to 8 glasses. Okay, only, ayun sa lagi inaong. Okay, number 2 and number 8 got the wrong answer. The rest got the correct answer. Okay, now let's proceed to question number 2 in the difficult round. What should we do when we cough or sneeze? A. Cover our mouth and nose. B. Sneeze on others. C. Do nothing. Erase your blackboards. The correct answer is letter A. Cover our mouth and nose. All got the correct answer. Very good. Blackboards down. Erase your answers. Question number 3. Which part of the food pyramid should you eat the least? A. Vegetables. B. Fruits. C. Fats and oils. D. Grains. Erase your blackboards. The correct answer is letter C. Fats and oils. Wait lang, what's your answer? Okay, only number 4, number 8, and number 6 got the wrong answer. The rest got the correct answer. Okay, blackboards down. Question number 4. Which vitamin helps your body heal wounds faster? A. Vitamin C. B. Vitamin A. C. Vitamin D. Letter D. Vitamin K. Okay, raise your blackboards. The correct answer is letter A. Vitamin C. Okay, only number 6, 7, and 9 got the correct, only number 6, 7, 8, and 9 got the correct answer. The rest got the wrong answer. Let's proceed to question number 5. Which food gives you the best energy for running and playing? A. Candy. B. Chips. C. Rice or bread. D. Ice cream. Erase your blackboards. The correct answer is letter C, rice or bread. Only number 8 got the wrong answer, the rest got the correct answer. Okay, blackboards down. Okay, question number 6. If you don't eat enough healthy food, what can happen? A. You become stronger. B. You stay sick easily. D. You will never get hungry. Erase your blackboards. The correct answer in number 6 is letter C. You may get sick easily. Okay, only number 8 got the wrong answer, the rest got the correct answer. Okay, blackboards down. Erase your answer. Okay, question number 7 in the difficult round. Why do we need to drink clean water? A. To stay hydrated and healthy. B. To get sick. C. To feel sleepy. Erase your blackboards. The correct answer is letter A, to stay hydrated and healthy. Only number 8 got the wrong answer, the rest got the correct answer. The blackboards down. Question number 8. Why should you cover your mouth with your elbow when you cough or sneeze instead of your hands? A. To spread germs faster. B. So germs don't get on your hands and spread to things you touch. C. To look cool. D. So you can sneeze louder. Erase your tag boards. The correct answer for question number 8 is letter B. Okay. Only number 7 got the wrong answer, the rest got the correct answer. Tag boards down. Okay, question number 9. Okay, without looking at face front. Okay, face front, contestant, face front. Okay, hindi mo linis sa kilid, sa likod, or sa kilid. Okay, number 9. What is 2025 Nutrition Month theme? A. Food and nutrition maging priority. B. Food and nutrition sapat na pagkain, karapatan. Letter C. Food and nutrition sapat na pagkain, priority. Letter D. Food and nutrition security, maging priority, sapat na pagkain, karapatan natin. Erase your tag boards. The correct answer is letter D. Dog. Okay, only number 1, 2, 6, and 7 got the correct answers. The rest got the wrong answer. Okay, tapos na. Okay, let me remind for category B, we will start our rubric quiz show at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, question number 10 for the difficult round groups. A. Protein, milk, and carbohydrates. B. Chocolate, soda, and junk foods. C. Go, grow, and glow. D. Juices, milk, and soda. Erase your tag boards. The correct answer for question number 10 is letter C. Okay, only number 9 got the wrong answer, the rest got the correct answer. Okay, tag boards down. Erase your tag. We are done with the easy, average, and difficult round. But first,
we have a time of contestant number 1 and contestant number 5. 56 points. Round 2. The winner is contestant number 6.